Hey everybody, it's Renee here. I am showing you a little something that I just recently purchased, and for those of you who make junk journals and frequent that Etsy site, you will have possibly seen this store, I guess, on Etsy. I just wanted to give a shout out to TaylorMadeJournals. I've happened to get to know Lorna, and she's pretty awesome. And I purchased some of her digital files through the Etsy store. So I want to show you just some of those that I bought. And I've printed them on cardstock and also on parchment. This is one I recently purchased. It is so awesome. I believe it's the I'm gonna butcher this. Levion Rose, I believe that's what it's called. But anyways, this is one of the files, and this one was on parchment. And I'm using an Epson EcoTank printer. There's another one. So pretty. And these are going to be just awesome in my junk journal. And I'm showing you these now, so you can check out TaylorMadeJournals on the Etsy store. And the link will be down below in my description, so you can check that out. But I'm also showing these because I'm also going to be making a journal very soon using some of these products. So some of these are also Christmassy. There's some awesome ones like these. I did these on cardstock because I'm going to cut them out and use them in some pockets and whatnot. So there's those ones. Like, look at these, they're just so awesome. Some of those. Yeah, there's so many great digital sites on Etsy. Cut these out, I'm gonna ink around them, put some stuff on the other side, and this will be pretty great in the journals. There's also wallpaper. These are all the wallpaper samples. Look at those, hey? Amazing. So I'm going to use those in my journals. And then again, here's just some more. This one got a little stuck in my printer. A few of these did because I used larger papers. But look at those. Amazing. These, I have an old calligraphy pen, so I'll write on some of the empty ones myself with some calligraphy. Because I know how to do calligraphy, so that shouldn't be too difficult, trying to just make it look vintage and old. And this one, I really love these. They're so beautiful. So that's one thing I wanted to show. Also, on TaylorMadeJournals on Facebook, she also makes limited edition stamp sets. They come like this. This is a Tiffany & Co. one I'm going to show you. They're wax sealed. And look at that. Great presentation. This is another one I bought. These ones, I don't think you can get them anymore. They were the limited edition ones. But she has new ones coming available all the time, so you want to check those out. Look at those. Amazing. So another one that she had. I played around with this, put it in my stamping platform, and show you. This is this one. This one came with another stamp. This is a Christmassy stamp. It doesn't have to be, but I figure it kind of is. So I will show you what this one is like. So I'm going to first peel off the postal one. And then we're going to put this one on here. So we will do this one maybe here. So I'll put that in there. Now we're going to ink it up with our archival. Sorry for the bouncing around on your video. I love these stamps. They're so beautiful and they're very well made. So I recommend checking these out, getting your hands on the stamps while they're still available. So check out her Facebook page. Make sure you like the page. So now we're going to Plop that down. I'm going to grab my Baron, and you can see the video on how to make your own Baron. The link up just at the top of the page. Just click that and it will take you to show you how you make your own Baron. Okay, so that should be good. So there is that winter's greeting. So these again were TaylorMade journals. Awesome stuff. Recommend checking her out, and make sure you come back to this feed down the road and see the journals I'm going to make using some of her products. Again, subscribe to this channel so you get more upcoming videos, and hit that bell notification so you get the videos as soon as they come available. Don't forget to like the videos if you like them, and I hope you enjoyed this. We will chat with you soon. Take care.